Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Account Optimizer Dashboard. In this video, we will go over Relationship Vitals. This module will help you identify and monitor trends in the relationship over time, based on your criteria and listed in numerical value through a scorecard. Click on the module name. When opening the module, we see the chart based on year and the sum of the value you determined on your scorecards. If you hover over each item on the chart, you can get a quick overview of the information. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see the Select Year drop-down list. By selecting a particular year, you can change the scorecards to reflect information for that particular year. Moving on, each scorecard has their respective criteria. Each criteria has a maximum weighted value determined when you're configuring the module. When you hit the Edit button, the grade column becomes editable. This is where you give a grade to the criteria and the values update based on that input. The column to the far right is your gap between the value determined and the grade you gave it to that specific criteria item. With all this information, you can monitor and see a high-level overview of your relationship with this particular account. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.